Right, going to show you guys how to replace the mesh on your studio buds. This can be a tedious process and you may need a few attempts at it, but you should be able to get this done fairly easily. So first step is to peel this off. We're going to do that by putting this spudger on the edge and pulling this mesh from the plastic, and then we're going to transfer it onto this earbud, and it has to go perfectly, and if it doesn't, then it will not work properly. So we'll want to seat it into the cavity that it should live in, and if we add too much pressure, it will not seat properly. So you want to be very careful to get it to sit right on the edge, because that's where the adhesive is, and if you do rush this, you will damage it. But you don't want to be buying any more of these. So adding a little bit of pressure on the edges. You can see that's seated perfectly, and it has a little bit of distance between the black mesh and the little rim piece, and it's not sinking through, which is great. So this will protect the earbud from getting earwax inside of it, and this ear tip will then just go right on top of this after the fact, and you can see it's good to go. The reason you would replace this mesh is if it's degrading, and if you have a buzzing noise. If you did the reset, you already cleaned it, and you can't seem to let it go away, sometimes this mesh is the issue. So you could utilize this mesh with our tool here to get the issue fixed, and this way you have a new mesh and it's going to last hopefully as long as the other one. So hope this video was helpful for you all. This is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics, signing out. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.